Today we're going to make double smoked spiral ham. This is a family favorite. We do this for the holidays. We also do it any time of year because we love having ham. We love making different dishes with that. We love taking the ham bone and making pea soup. Are you ready?
Yes!
Today we will provide a step-by-step tutorial on how to cook this as a family, and at the end we will provide a full recipe screenshot. Double smoked spiral ham. We have a fully cooked spiral ham here ready to go. As you see, it already has the spiral cuts. This is a fully cooked ham already. You can actually eat it cold like you can deli meat. But what we're going to do is put a binder on this, add our favorite rub, get it up to temperature in the last half hour or so. We're going to put the glaze on and get it really delicious. Does that sound good?
Yes.
Okay, so we got our mustard here. We're going to put your little glove on using a plastic bag. You ready?
Yes.
Great. All right. What's the next step?
Put it on the smoker!
Let's go. Okay, so we're going to be putting together a glaze for our double smoked spiral ham. We're going to be doing basically equal parts of barbecue sauce and some pineapple juice. So we had some crushed pineapple juice left over from the pineapple stuffing that we're also making at this time. So we're going to go ahead and just use that. Just get both of these. Get this simmered together, and this is going to make for a great glaze. Okay, so we've had our glaze simmering for 10 or 15 minutes. This is looking pretty great. If we look at the thickness or the viscosity here, it looks pretty nice. So let's go get this on the ham. Double smoked spiral ham. So this has been on the smoker for a couple hours here. We simmered up our glaze of barbecue sauce and pineapple juice. So let's get the first round of glazing on. Perfect. Good job. Okay, so let's get this on for a couple minutes. We'll take it off one more time and glaze it up again, but this is going to tack up nicely. So this is great. Thank you. Okay, round two. This is looking great already, but let's go ahead and get this tacked up a little bit more. This is looking great. Let's get this on for 15 more minutes, and this is going to be nice and candied up.
Yeah.
Good job. Double smoked spiral ham. So we got this glazed up. This is looking phenomenal with that. So nice thing with the spirals is that once you just start breaking along the different sections, it all comes off. So in order to carve this up fully, we turn it on its side and cut along the little striations of the sections. I just took a little bit off the top. Looks like you can't wait to try it. So why don't you just go ahead and get in there.
I got a big piece.
Yes, you did. I love that.
There you go.
I love the smoky flavor. I love that glaze on it. What do you like?
I like the glaze on it. I like the smoky flavor.
How about you?
I love it.
You love it? Okay. Well, wonderful. So this is a great way to jazz up a ham. So enjoy, whether for a holiday or regular time. Just ham it up. Thank you for joining us on today's episode of DadBQ. Remember, who's the Q?
DadBQ! Boopy doo, it's DadBQ. The family-friendly cooking show.
Thanks for watching. Comment down below if there is something you would like us to teach you to make, or if you have a delicious dish that you would like to potentially have featured on DadBQ. We are building a family-friendly cooking community that we want you to join. First step to joining that community, like, comment, and subscribe. And visit us at dadbq.com.